Have you ever carried a quiet ache like a bruise you can't touch from a loss? A loved one gone, a friendship broken, or a failure that still stings? It follows you through every smile, every task, whispering you're not enough. That ache isn't just pain, it's a wound holding you back. Whether you're a teenager reeling from rejection, a parent grieving a lost connection, or an adult facing a shattered dream, that wound is real. But it can heal. Welcome to Stoic Reign, where Stoicism exercises turn pain into purpose. What if your hurt could guide you to strength? Stoic philosophy offers Stoicism daily practices to reduce anxiety and rebuild mental health. Epictetus said, "It's not things that hurt us, but how we think about them." That's Stoicism, motivation for self-improvement. Today I'm sharing 9 Stoicism exercises to heal and move forward. Perfect for Stoicism for beginners, Stoicism for women, or anyone seeking Stoicism on love. Whether you're 15 or 65, these Stoicism practices will spark productivity and hope. I'll share stories of people who transformed pain with Stoicism lessons, plus 1 action per exercise for Stoicism daily practice. By the end, you'll have a 14-day Stoic Reign challenge to master your Stoicism mindset. Ready to heal? Let's dive into Stoicism exercises that renew. Picture Maya, an ER nurse who felt broken every time she lost a patient. The grief was so heavy she couldn't sleep, wondering if she'd failed them. One Stoicism exercise helped her focus on what she could do. "I was falling apart," she says, her voice quiet. "Now I help people with a steady heart. I'm healing too. I saved 3 lives last week." Then there's Ethan, who lost his marriage and his confidence when his business struggled. The pain made him feel worthless. One Stoicism practice taught him to see failures as lessons. "I thought I was done," he says. "Now I'm building something new and I'm stronger for it. My business is back on track." Clara, who lost her husband, felt like her life stopped too. The emptiness was crushing. One Stoicism exercise helped her find joy again. "I was stuck in sadness," she says, her eyes warm. "Now I live for today and it feels good. I garden with my grandkids now." Priya, a single mom, felt guilty for not being enough for her son. The stress ate at her. One Stoicism practice brought her back to the moment. "I thought I was failing him," she says, smiling. "Now I'm his safe place and I'm proud of that. We're closer than ever." And Leo, a counselor who felt burned out helping kids. He thought he'd lost his purpose. One Stoicism exercise gave it back. "I was empty," he says. "Now I help others with a strength I didn't know I had. My kids are thriving." These stories show Stoicism exercises heal. Here are 9 to build your Stoicism mindset, each with a Stoicism daily step. Stay for a 14-day challenge and a bonus Stoicism exercise that'll ignite motivation. First exercise, control split. Pain feels all-consuming. This Stoicism exercise sorts it. Every morning, take 4 minutes to write one hurt, like "I'm upset about a fight." List what I control and what I don't. Place the pain like "I control my response, not their words." Pick an action like "forgive today." Say, "I split my control." Epictetus's Stoic quotes focus on choice. Maya used this for mental health. Your step. Today, write a hurt. Sort it and act. Feel Stoicism motivation. Second exercise, pain teacher. Pain feels like punishment. This Stoicism practice makes it a guide. Every evening, take 5 minutes to write a setback, like "I lost a job." List 3 lessons like "I'm resilient, I can pivot, there's another path." Pick an action like "apply somewhere new." Say, "I learn from pain." Marcus Aurelius's Stoic philosophy says obstacles teach. Ethan used this for self-improvement. Your step. Tonight, write a setback, list lessons, and act. Grow with Stoicism lessons. Third exercise, joy finder. Pain hides light. This Stoicism exercise uncovers it. Every evening, take 6 minutes to write 3 things you're Grateful for like a kind text, a quiet night, a task done. Note how each helps like, the text warmed me. Plan an action like, reply tomorrow. Say, I find my joy. Seneca's Stoicism daily wisdom values every moment. Clara, use this for Stoicism relationships. Your step. Tonight, write 3 joys and plan a step. Feel mindfulness. 4th exercise. Now anchor. Pain pulls you from today. This Stoicism practice grounds you. Every morning, take 3 minutes to take 10 deep breaths, noticing something like, my desk smooth. Write it. Say, I anchor in now. Epictetus' Stoic quotes say, presence is all. Priya, use this for Stoicism on love. Your step. Today, breathe, notice, and write. Reduce anxiety. 5th exercise. Purpose path. Pain dims direction. This Stoicism exercise restores it. Every morning, take 5 minutes to write, what matters today? Pick a virtue, like courage, and an action like speak up at work. Do it, ask, did this align me? Say, I walk my path. Seneca's Stoicism lessons say, live fully. Leo, use this for productivity. Your step. Today, write a virtue, act, and reflect. Find Stoicism mindset. 6th exercise. Wide lens. Pain feels massive. This Stoicism practice shrinks it. Every evening, take 4 minutes to write a hurt like, I'm rejected. List 3 broader truths like, this is temporary, I have support, others face worse. Say, I see the wide lens. Marcus Aurelius' Stoic philosophy says we're small in the vast. Clara, use this for mental health. Your step. Tonight, write a hurt and 3 truths. Feel self-improvement. 7th exercise. Bold move. Pain breeds fear. This Stoicism exercise builds courage. Every morning, pick a challenge like, skip my coffee. Write why it's worth it, like it builds grit. Do it. Note how it felt, like, I'm tougher. Say, I make bold moves. Seneca's Stoic quotes praise resilience. Ethan used this for Stoicism motivation. Your step. Today, pick a challenge, do it, and write. Boost productivity. 8th exercise, story shift. Pain writes defeat. This Stoicism practice rewrites victory. Every evening, take 6 minutes to write a painful moment, like, I failed my team. Replace negatives. I'm a failure becomes, I'm growing. Pick an action like, ask for feedback. Say, I shift my story. Epictetus' Stoic philosophy says we choose our view. Maya used this for Stoicism, daily healing. Your step. Tonight, rewrite a moment and act. Feel. Mindfulness. Bonus exercise, hope flame. Pain darkens tomorrow. This Stoicism exercise lights it. Every evening for 14 days, take 5 minutes to write one hope like, I want closer friendships. Ask, what's one step? Write it like, invite a friend over. Do it tomorrow. Say, I light my hope. This Stoicism, motivation fuels Stoic reign. Your step. Tonight, write a hope, plan a step, and act. Feel Stoicism for beginners shine. These 9 Stoicism exercises are your 14-day Stoic reign challenge to heal and move forward. They'll reduce anxiety, spark Stoicism relationships, and build mental health, whether you're a teen hurting from rejection or an adult healing loss. Start with control split today. Journal your self-improvement. Share your favorite Stoicism. Exercise in the comments to join our Stoic Reign community. Want more Stoicism lessons? Subscribe for Stoicism motivation. Before you go, try one Stoicism practice today, maybe sorting a hurt or finding joy. Your pain isn't your end. It's your beginning, as Stoic quotes teach. Heal with Stoicism exercises. I'll see you in the next one.